Now, on to the second section we're going to describe in this video. Let me go, oops. Okay, sorry about that. I want to move my window down. It was getting away from me there for a second. What you want to do now is we're back on our settings page, theme settings, okay, within the WP AIM theme settings page. And we're going to click on the fourth tab, post and pages content. Now, much like I just described the ability to put custom original content on the home page, we have added to the AIM theme the ability to add custom content, original content, or code to all your posts and pages. Now, this particular feature for WordPress posts and pages, I recommend that you use this pretty much for affiliate code, AdSense code, and so forth. It wouldn't make sense to add original content and have it appear on every single one of your posts or every single one of your pages, okay? Because that's not going to count towards search engine rankings at all. Now, really quickly, I want to talk about pages and posts. I realize some of you watching this video are going to have WordPress experience and know exactly what I'm about to talk about, but some of you won't. Within WordPress, you have posts and you have pages. Okay, over in the left-hand sidebar, you see there's entry for posts and an entry for pages. Traditionally, pages are what we call static pages in WordPress. Sometimes they're called paged pages. And usually that's your about page, your contact page, static pages, maybe a calendar of events, whatever the case may be. Your posts are generally what gets posted to the home page, what gets posted to your tags and category pages. In this particular website, it's all the products. Everything, when you schedule keywords in the WP AIM plugin, which will be covered in other videos, all the products are going to get posted in what we call in WordPress a post, a single post. Posts can have categories and tags assigned to them. Pages cannot. Okay. You'll see in this example here, Swiss Army Victorinox Garrison Watch for Women, that it's assigned to the category ladies watches, and it has some tags that relate to it: Army, Garrison, Switch, Victorinox Watch, and Women, so forth. Okay. Now we'll go back to the settings here while I'm talking real quick. There's a reason that I wanted to let everybody know how that works, and the reason is on the settings tab for posts and pages content, we have 5 input boxes. Okay. Now, the very last two, anything you put in these boxes will appear on your paged pages. The first box is everything. It will let you show things between the title and the content. In other words, the top of the page. And the second box allows you to enter things that will appear after the content. And again, these two boxes, static pages, WordPress only, static pages. The second and the third boxes are to put things at the top of the page for all single posts. In other words, we were just looking at the product pages. It lets you put things after the content on all single posts. Okay. The very first input box would allow you to put something on all posts and all pages. Okay. Now I want to show you this and how it works in action. The very first box, add AdSense or affiliate code for posts and pages. I put some text in there, sample text, posts and pages content. I'm going to hit save. And then we're going to go back to the website and we're going to take a look at what this looks like. Okay. First, let me scroll down the page here. First, we'll look at a post. See, posts and pages content. This is the text that I put in there. Okay. So when I put something and the very first input box for posts and pages content, it appears on every post and every page in the website. This is a post, and at the very top my content appears. I'll type in the about page really quick. and this is how that would look on a simple page, a static page within WordPress. Now you notice, I want to point this out, that whatever you put in that first box appears before everything on the page. Before the title, before the meta, before the content. That's how the first input box works. Okay? Now I'm going to remove that for the purposes of testing. And again, the second and third boxes control if you want to add things to every post on the website. Okay? And what I've done, I've prepared, copy and paste this real quick, some affiliate code in advance. I'm going to post my affiliate code in that box for a banner. I'm going to save it. I'll go back to our sample site, back to the home page. I'm going to click on a post. And the top of that post now has a banner ad that people can click on. Okay? Now you notice it's real close to the meta. That's because all the boxes on the Posts and Pages tab have the ability to accept HTML. What that means, if you're not very technical or you don't know HTML, which a lot of the members won't, it basically means that it doesn't have automatic line breaks. If you want to add some space between the content and what you're adding, you may have to add an HTML tag for a non-breaking space, or a line, a BR. It's a smaller bracket, BR, a space, a forward slash, and an ending greater than bracket. Here, I'll show you how that looks. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page. I'm going to save again. Go back to our post. Reload the page. See how it moves down one line. Now there's a blank space between there. Okay, now what I wanted to describe here was we just added a banner ad, and it's going to appear on every post on the website. And one of the good things about having the ability to do this within the theme, to add the code in the Posts and Pages content here and have it appear on every single post to the site, is the links that come from affiliates and merchants that you use as an affiliate marketer, they expire after a certain time. Usually a sale only goes on for a certain period of time, sometimes 30 days, sometimes 6 months. This particular banner ad is for a daily deal. One watch, one day, one low price. This link may only be good for 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then a new banner will come out, a new link will come out. And when that happens, I'll go to my website here and I'll add a new banner ad code. You can also use AdSense code in there as well. I'm going to delete this out because we're not going to keep it on our sample site. And again, I could have put the code here to show the banner ad after the post content, and I could also have used the banner ad to put that banner on all my static pages before the content, between the title and the content, or after the post content. And just to recap, this video was for the WP AIM theme, and what we did was we went over how to add unique original homepage content for search engine crawlers and footer text, and also how to add affiliate and AdSense code to any or all posts. It's all single posts on a WordPress website and all pages on a WordPress website. Thank you, and please look at our additional videos. We're going to be going over how to set up the navigation features of the WP AIM theme, and also how widgets work. Thank you, and hope to see you again.